Severe solar storms expected to light up U.S. skies with aurora displays. Space weather officials have raised an alert for an imminent series of powerful solar storms that could paint the night sky with vivid auroras across large swaths of the United States. In recent days, the sun released several coronal mass ejections, massive clouds of charged particles that are projected to slam into Earth's magnetosphere Tuesday night and into early Wednesday. When these solar blasts interact with Earth's magnetic field, they can trigger intense geomagnetic storms, which historically have disrupted radio, GPS, and even power grid operations. The intensity and latitude of the forthcoming auroral displays will hinge on the exact timing of the solar wind's arrival and how it couples with our atmosphere. But forecasters say bright, colorful curtains could be visible far south of the traditional Arctic zone, reaching states such as Alabama and Northern California. This activity comes as the sun sits near the peak of its 11-year solar cycle, a period that typically yields more frequent and expansive auroral events. Over the past year, observers have reported northern light sightings well into the continental United States and across Europe, a trend driven by the sun's magnetic poles swapping places and creating tangled magnetic field lines. The most powerful geomagnetic storm of the last 2 decades struck last year, lighting up skies from the Arctic to New England, and a comparable event earlier this century produced auroras as far south as Hawaii and even ignited telegraph lines. While scientists cannot predict solar storms months ahead, they can issue short-term warnings that enable utilities, aviation, and satellite operators to brace for potential disruptions. For the public, aurora watchers are encouraged to check NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center or dedicated aurora forecast apps for real-time outlooks, find dark, remote locations away from city lights, and keep an eye on cloud cover. Even a modest smartphone camera can capture faint green hues that the naked eye may miss, offering a memorable glimpse of the sun's far-reaching influence on our planet.